Here is a short story about Kedir Martuu Simel. Kadiir Martuu is widely recognized for his significant contributions to Ethiopian music, particularly within the Oromo cultural scene. He has become an influential figure, known for his unique musical style that blends traditional Oromo instruments and rhythms with modern sounds. His music reflects the experiences, struggles, and rich heritage of the Oromo people, helping to raise awareness of their identity and culture. Beyond his music, Kadiir Martuu is also an activist who uses his platform to advocate for the rights of the Oromo community. Through his work, he addresses issues such as displacement, cultural preservation, and political representation. His activism has made him a prominent voice in the fight for justice and equality, making him an important figure in Oromo culture. Now this legend artist needs help from his people due to suffer with a sick. Please make duo for him. Thanks for watching us.